It's Bernie from Mettex again. Today we're going to show you how to prime and change the jaws and nose tips on the RAC171. First of all, we'll show you how to change the jaws and the nose tips, because when you buy these, they're set up for standard rivets. Majority of the time people buy these tools for set monobolts or other such structural rivets. So what we'll do is we'll show you how to change that over. When you buy the tool, you get a box with all your different nose tips in. So you've got your nose tips for monobolts, your nose tips for magnalocks, and various other nose tips in the box. So you open that up and you can see inside there you've also got a couple of service tools to help you along. So we'll start by taking the nose sleeve off with a 27mm spanner. Press your trigger, it's easier to take off. There we go, and then we want a 14 and 17. 14 and 17mm spanners. Take the front sleeve off. And you'll find in here that you've got your smaller standard rivet jaws, which are the same as what you have in the RAC180. You see them compared to the jaws that we're going to put in. And you've also got a jaw holder for the smaller jaws and a jaw holder for the bigger jaws. Now they do look pretty much the same, but there is a slightly bigger hole for the bigger jaws in that one, and also this one has got a number on the side for the bigger jaws. That's how you can tell the difference. So we'll start by taking the jaws, the larger jaws, and putting them into the cone. So they all sit neatly side by side. Like that. I'll take that. Screw that back on. You need to pinch up with your spanners. You don't need to go mad, but just that's why this one is 18. That's it. That's it. And then we can put the sleeve back on. Take 12mm spanner to remove the nose tip. If you hold the trigger, again, same as when you're removing the sleeve, if you hold the trigger to remove the nose tip, it stops the jaws pressing against it, so it's easier to remove. And then we'll take, say you want to set 6.4 monobolts, you take that out of your labelled box here, you've got your 6.4 monobolt nose tip. I put that in. Like that. Pinch that up. So now that's set up for quarter monobolts. We'll just run one through so you can see. Because it's not in the material, it's probably going to take 2 goes to break, but in the material it will break off first time. And if you put your suction in, and that's that for that. And obviously if you want to go back to your standard rivets, then we just reverse the process. We will show you the priming procedure as well. It is the same as the other FAR tools, but if you haven't watched any of the other FAR videos, then you'll want to know how to do this. You generally do this if your rivets are getting stuck or it's taking 2 pulls to break the rivet off. And what you do is you put your tool on its side, you release your bleed screw with the spanners provided, and then you've got your priming bottle, which is also provided with the tool. If we just rest this head on to keep it flat, and you get your priming bottle with your tool. Unscrew the cap if you can. Screw that onto your plug, and then as with the other tools, you operate the plug a few times, and if if you have got any air in there, you will see air bubbles come up, so you just keep pressing the trigger until the bubbles stop coming. And then we'll take that off. You will get a little bit of spillage, but it won't cause any problems. And then you just put the oil plug back on. Again, not over tight, just pinch it up a bit. And that's it. That's how you look after your RAC171. Any problems, give me Bernie a call at Mettex.